Hey friends, it's Jay Lobos, and on today's video, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a few little tips on how to increase your scores very fast. So for you guys out there that need an additional 20-30 points, stay tuned right now, because I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys a few things. First off, for you guys out there that obviously are going through a process of maybe reaching a financial goal, applying for something, and you're going to need an additional 20, 30, 40 points, 50, 60. These are things that you can literally do on your own, that you could actually more or less control so that you're able to get there. First thing is, continue to apply for new credit lines, credit cards, guys. That's 30% of your overall credit score. Believe it or not, credit cards are actually one of the biggest influencers. As a matter of fact, I'm always saying it, it's what separates someone from having good to excellent credit. So given the fact, depending on where your credit scores are at, one could actually guide. It's going into the buildworthstrategies.com website, and on top is going to have credit card apps. Based on your credit score, more or less you could gauge the type of credit card you could apply for. So depending on your score, then you should be applying for one of those type of credit cards. Now, second off too is focusing on the utilization on your existing credit cards. So maintaining them below 30% utilization is key before applying for any kind of loan. An additional thing too, very important, is adding yourself as an authorized user on somebody else's credit card. So it's very simple. All they have to do is basically contact the creditor, give them your name, last name, phone number, date of birth, and social. And once they do that, that information is going to go ahead and transition into your credit report, giving you not only 30%, which is the utilization, but also history, which is an additional 15%. That's 45% in total. Keep in mind though too, that person's credit card cannot have any blemishes, no late payments. Hopefully it has a high limit, and the utilization is below 30%. By the way, I wanted to go ahead and also give you guys some information. I actually ended up opening a YouTube channel in Spanish. It's called Metas Financieras. It's the same thing as what we have here, basically sharing information, going over credit information, finances, mortgages, real estate, that type of stuff, to just basically empower you guys so that you guys are able to go ahead and get to your next level. So this YouTube video has been designed for the audience who currently don't speak English, or in the process of learning English, or not comfortable. So for you guys out there who are watching, who maybe have relatives, who have friends, family, loved ones who are not comfortable in the English language, this channel's been designed for that purpose, to continue to help the community, to continue to help and empower, and everybody just basically just come together. So until next time, guys, take care.